is one soup that I love and cherish so much. But when I was a bit younger, each time I eat egusi soup, I normally have running stomach. But as time goes on, I discovered this method of cooking egusi and it is a banger every time. So if you are somebody like me or you have children that always go to the toilet after eating egusi soup, then try this method. It works very well because the egusi will be so cooked that it won't have any excuse to even make you want to go to toilet. So without much delay, let's get into the video as I show you how I made this beautiful soup. For my ingredients, I'll need some fresh peppers and tomatoes, some red oil, dry meat and fish, some fresh meat, melon seeds, some onions. I also use some vegetable which is pumpkin, and also some locust beans which I did not show. I don't know why I lost those clips. So the first thing you want to do now is to wash the melon and pour into your blender. Add enough quantity of water for blending. Blend your onions together with your melon. It is very necessary. So once everything has been completely blended, next you want to do now is to pour it into the pot and place it on the fire. No oil added, nothing added, okay? So let this cook in its own water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So once everything is boiling, like the water has completely gone down, take your spoon and stir it together to be sure that it has completely cooked. The next thing you want to do now is to pour your red oil into this, then cover it up and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it immediately the red oil is added, okay? Do not stir it. So for another 10 to 15 minutes, after which you can now add your meat. I went in first with my dry meat. You know, the meat is very tough based on the fact that it has been cooked and dried for a very long time. So I first wash it with hot water and salt before adding it to the soup. So after that, then go in with your blended tomato mix, which is a mixture of pepper, tomatoes and onions, and stir this together. Cover it up, let it cook for many minutes. So when it has boiled like this, then next you want to go in with now is your dry fish. You can wash your fish with some warm water and salt to remove all the impurities such as sand or insect in it. After adding the fish, cover it up again and let it just boil well so that it can be completely cooked. Believe me, if you are somebody that always go to toilet after eating egusi soup, you will love it because this one doesn't make you full at all. Okay, I have added my seasoning cube. I added the mixed up also. I don't normally add salt to my soup because most of the time, most of the ingredients we use in cooking already contain salt. The pepper is never enough, too much for Nigeria, you know. So I felt the pepper was not enough, so I added some grounded pepper. You know, sand pepper is not in season now, so it's somehow expensive. Okay. So after that, let everything just be doing their thing together. Once everything is well cooked, then go in with any vegetable of your choice. On this day, I went in with some pumpkin, also known as ugu leaf. So I have washed it, I have sliced it to my desired size. Then I added it to my soup and I stirred together. Once vegetable is added to the soup, I don't normally cook it for more than 10 to 5 minutes because cooking your vegetable for too long will make it lose all its essential vitamins and nutrients. This soup can be enjoyed with any swallow, ranging from your plantain swallow, fufu, eba, pounded yam, semo, wheat. So many options. It can even go well with your white rice. You can adjust your seasoning, taste for salt. So you can add little water to dilute it. At the end of the day, I enjoyed this food with one wrap of pounded yam. So guys, if you have watched with me till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are very welcome. To my returning subscriber, thank you for all you have been doing, for your comment, for your likes, for your subscription. I am very grateful. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, as I'll be dropping new videos every week. I'll be dropping videos on farming, on cooking, house and lifestyle, and so many others. You don't want to miss any beautiful video. So next week when I come again with another beautiful and interesting video, it's me, SSA. God bless you and bye.